How to set up your WordPress website. Hi, I'm Ryan Huff. In this video I'm going to show you the best settings to use for your new WordPress site. Firstly, I'm going to show you the plugin I use to set up and manage WordPress. Then I'm going to show you how to change WordPress settings manually. But before I get into it, I wanted to take a step back and explain why I'm making this video. Firstly, this video is a part of a series of videos where I show you exactly how to make a Clicky website with WordPress. I've laid out my entire process in easy to follow mind map with process notes and the Clicky website templates. If you'd like a free copy, just head on over to my website by clicking the link that will appear. So in this guide I'm going to show you how to set up your WordPress site. So this is the Project Supremacy dashboard, and I'm going to click on Websites. Then I'm going to click on Add a Website and Single. Then I'm going to go into my Cloudways account and I'm going to click on Applications, Access Details, and then I'm going to copy my username and password. And I'm going to click the HTTPS protocol and then my www.clickywebsites.com and then the login page, and then I'm going to copy the username and the password from Cloudways, and then I'm going to go Add Now. Then I'm going to click on Manage Website, and then I'm going to click on Plugins, which you've got your options for themes. And then from here I can now delete the plugins that I don't need. So I'm going to delete this Hello Dolly plugin, and then I can click on Add New Plugins. Now you can either add new plugins from the WordPress repository, or you can save your plugins within Project Supremacy. So I'm going to click on My Plugins. Now I'm going to add Thrive Leads, Thrive Quiz Builder, Thrive Visual Editor, Google Tag Manager, and I've got a whole bunch of plugins here that I could upload as well. So just start uploading. So that's going to upload all my plugins to my site, and I can also update plugins from here. So now once you click into your Clicky website's WordPress dashboard, if Project Supremacy has installed correctly, you'll have Project Supremacy here. So you go to Project Supremacy and Dashboard, and then you can go to Easy WordPress Setup, and here's a whole bunch of settings that you can set your WordPress, your new WordPress site up very easily with all these settings. So you can remove all pages and posts. You can set your permalink structure. You can remove all comments, etc., etc. So once you've chosen all the options that you want, you just go Start Easy WordPress Setup. And if I now go to Pages, you can see that's created a whole bunch of pages for me. My About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, and Terms of Use pages. So you can also update your WordPress settings manually. So within your WordPress dashboard, you can go to Posts and Add New, and you can enter your title, you can enter your content, and next thing I'm going to show you is comments. And within the comment section you can see the comments that have occurred, and you can choose comments and delete them. Next I'm going to show you appearance and themes. Within here you can add a new theme. You can upload a theme, or you can choose a theme from the repository. If you find a theme that you like, you can just click on Install. Next thing I'm going to show you is plugins and Add New. So you can upload a plugin, or you can search for plugins and install them now. then activate them. So if you click on Install Plugins, you can then click on Settings, you can update plugins from the screen, you can deactivate, you can delete plugins. So finally, if you click on Settings and General, this is where you want to give your site a title and a tagline, and this is where we changed our URL to HTTPS in a previous video. And once you've changed all those options, you just click Save Changes. If you go to Reading, the default in writing, the default settings are fine. So we're going to click on Reading. We want our home page to display as a static page, and then we'll choose the home. You can change how many blog posts you want to show, and then you can choose here whether you want to discourage search engines from indexing the site. So while you're still building your site out, I would recommend that you tick this, but as soon as you've finished, you need to remember to come back into the screen and untick this, otherwise Google and other search engines will not index your website. So save changes when you've finished making all those changes. Next thing you can click on is discussion. I like to choose these two options. So comment, author must fill out name and email and must be registered and logged in to place a comment. Before a comment appears, it must be manually approved, and the author must have previously approved comment. You can change your Gravatar logo if you want, and then once you've finished all of those settings, you just click Save Changes. Media default settings are okay, so next thing I'm going to show you is on permalinks, and I like to choose the post name permalink and Save Changes. And that's all for setting up your WordPress site. Remember, if you want to get a copy of my free mind map, process notes, and the Clicky website templates, then just head on over to my website to download it. There's a lot of back-end work and plugins that go into setting up a Clicky website. I do offer a paid service to do everything for you. If that's of interest, you can email me at ryan@clickywebsites.com or visit my website. I regularly add new videos to my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get them as soon as possible. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like me to make.